This is Connor. He is one of the fastest engines on Solar. He has the tendril, it kind of looks like bread on it, but he has some kind of wheels, and he doesn't have much of a funnel. Next, we have Hank. He's one of the strongest engines on Solar. He is the American engine, and he is very mighty. Next, we have Riff. He is a garbage dump engine. He likes to collect garbage. Portal is next. He's a new engine original, I think. He has 3 domes. That's it about Portal. Next we have Stepney. He is number 55. I kind of colored on him like when I was at my grandma's purple. Next we have Talking Edward. Next we have O'Neill. He is a narrow gauge engine original, working at the Blue Mountain Quarry. Next we have Paint Spatter Thomas. He got spotted by paint, but he's still Thomas. Next we have Percy. He is Thomas's best friend. His number is number 6. He has 2 wheels. And the last engine is Thomas. He is the number 1 tank engine. Everybody likes him. So here are all the engines. Thank you for watching.